Welcome to the Rust programming from beginner to expert. Programming languages usually has some trade-offs. There are low-level languages like C and C++ which are designed to achieve speed and control at the cost of memory safety. On the other hand, we have languages like Python and JavaScript which are high-level languages. They are usually more safe but are not very effective from power and speed perspective. With Rust, we have the best of both the worlds. More specifically, it is a system programming language like C and C++, which means it has speed and control, but at the same time, it has a safety feature just like the high-level language. This makes Rust so clearly stand out among all the programming languages. This course contains broad array of topics that will take you to the beginner to the expert step by step. Let us briefly go over the course curriculum. This course is quite comprehensive, not just in terms of hours, but also in terms of topics we cover. This is the bird eye view of the curriculum. The whole course is divided into 18 sections that includes one dedicated section on DSA. We will start with the introductory material like installation, setting up your Rust environment in section 1, section 2 and section 3 where we will see the basics and Rust principles. Then after in section 4 and 5 we will be delve into this structs, lifetimes, enums and petals matching. In the section 6 we will go through the traits and generics, and then we will building some understanding on cargo, crates and modules in section 7. In the next section we will see common collections. Section 9 is dedicated to the errors handling. In section 10 we will find and replace values in CLI arguments. In section 11, 12 and 13 we will see some advanced topics such as iterators, closures, pointers and concurrency, which are super important to understand. In section 14 and 15 we will be deep diving into the macros and how to write unsafe code in Rust. Section 16 is dedicated to the asynchronous Rust. Section 17 is about WebAssembly, and the last but optional section where we will cover few data structure topics in Rust for much better understanding. I guess I should introduce myself. I am Ajay. I have been working in Rust from couple of years and built various small and medium projects. I am super excited about this course, and let's start learning Rust.